Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to show you what I got from a company called Soap Wax Sampler. It was from Cratejoy, and I was eyeing this for a little while and I didn't buy it and I didn't buy it and I didn't buy it. But then they had this sale at Cratejoy where your first box is free on select boxes, so I decided to go ahead and do it. So I got 3 months worth of this box, and it's wax melts. And you know, after thinking about it, I still didn't order it, but then I saw it on another YouTuber's channel and I saw her open it and I'm like, well, okay, all right, I'll do it. So I went ahead and ordered it. So let me go ahead and open it up and I will show you what it looks like. So it's like, I think $5 or $6 on Cratejoy, but then you have to pay for shipping too. So it's not as cheap as it looks, or as inexpensive as it may seem. Oh, bummer. Okay, so in the box, sorry, I'm like in and out of the camera. So in the box, there's a bunch of these things, right? Obviously, I don't want my puppy to get a hold of these things. So I went ahead and just dumped it on a table over here. And all these are, I mean, I knew what they are, but I thought they would come packaged differently. They're wax melts, different wax melts. This is like pine, I think. They give us 1, 2, 3, if I can count, they give you 6 of them. I'm like in and out, in and out. I don't know how to like show this like as a screenshot unless I put them on a plate, and I'm too lazy for that. So let's see. Oh, that's not gonna work. Okay, how about, let's see. So they all smell different, but since they're all like kind of together, I can't really make out the different scents. So I'm gonna have to, and it doesn't come with a card or anything, just different, just different scents. I don't know. No, Brooklyn. So Brooklyn found the stash of the little brown squigglies. Yes, she did. Huh, Brooke? This is my baby. My baby. Let me just look in the box one more time, just in case. I'm gonna look in the box one more time just in case there is some sort of a card, like telling me what scents they are. And there's not. There's nothing else other than these little brown squigglies. So, wait a second. Wait a second. I see something written on the cardboard box. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me see if I can get it without my dog eating all the squigglies. I got a little table over here, like right in front of the couch. Just a little round it was actually $5 in the clearance aisle at Walmart. And I kind of use that to put things on so Brooklyn can't get a hold of my stuff when I'm unboxing. It's helped me, but I have to keep it out of her reach. So unfortunately, then it's kind of out of my reach. So I have to continually like go over there. So let's see. Trying to open this as quickly as I can. No one wants to just sit here and watch somebody open a box, because that's no fun. They just want to see what's inside. That's what I want to see. All right. Okay. It literally, you gotta tear apart the box. Are you kidding me? No, they're not kidding me. It's not a joke. I actually have to tear apart the box. Okay. This is what's inside. It's a sticker and it's like stuck inside. So I had to like literally tear apart the box for real. Okay. So it says, "'Tis the season." I'm not going to read all this to you because that's boring. It says what's inside. Buttered rum. It's the brown one. Marzipan Dream. I'm probably saying that word wrong. I'm willing to bet yes, I'm saying this word right here. I don't know if you can make it out or see it or not, but I know I'm saying it wrong. Marzipan Dream. It's the white one. It's a special blend of sweet mandarin, fluffy almond frosting, and hints of rose. So, and then the Holiday Lane is the tan one. It's a fun, festive combination of pine, fir, fresh baked cookies. That's kind of weird. They kind of got all that in there. Home Sweet Home is the pink one. It's got vanilla, buttercream frosting, fresh coconut. What is that one? The pink one? It's this one. I smell more floral, but again, I think it's because it was mixed with all of the other ones. You know, they were just all in this little box without anything, you know, covering them or anything. So I don't know. This one's called Home Sweet Home, and it's supposed to be vanilla, buttercream frosting, fresh coconut, and something else I can't pronounce. And then there's Cozy Cabin, which is the green one, and that is like, that one's pine. That, you know, I smelled that one when I first opened it. I thought that was pine. Eggnog Bliss. I like eggnog. I do not like eggnog with alcohol. I do not drink alcohol, and I know that's kind of why eggnog is made, isn't it? For people that drink alcohol. Not for me. I just like, I like it when it's vanilla flavored eggnog. All right, let's get going here. You don't want to hear all that business. Eggnog Bliss. It's the light yellow one. It's vanilla bean blended with cinnamon, cloves, and a dash of nutmeg. It is the light yellow one. I'm out of the picture frame again. I sure am. This is the only yellow one. So light yellow, yellow. And again, it just smells like a mix of all of those. So I'm going to have to really wait, I think, separate these and put them in little baggies or something until I'm ready to use them, because they all kind of smell the same, unfortunately. Or it's just me. Yeah. Okay, so the dog is trying to eat the cardboard. Brooklyn, come here. Can you please give me back the evidence? Oh, she dropped it? Okay, good. All right. So, in the camera, out of the camera, in the camera. How do you like that? I just opened another box, and this is what I got from the Daily Deal. It's a $10 mystery box, and I thought I was going to get a bunch of jewelry like I did the last time, but I just got one piece of jewelry, and it's very pretty, but it's very, very big, unless it's like way up there. But, you know, maybe that's kind of how they're supposed to be. You know, I've seen jewelry, you know, people wear, I don't know. Anyway, you don't want to hear about that either, do you? Everybody, please comment down below. And please give this video a thumbs up. I want my channel to grow. Oh my gosh, I'm almost at like 600, I think. Almost there at 600. I grew a lot slower than other YouTubers around me, I get it. But it's because I wasn't putting out content like every day, I think, or I'm just boring. I don't know. But if you can try to help my channel grow, please, you know, comment down below, do the like, and subscribe, please. If you're not subscribed, I would appreciate it. Thank you very much, everyone, and have a great day. Bye.